National Manufacturing Day was established by the Manufacturing Institute to showcase the importance of modern manufacturing and inspire the next generation of skilled workers. Here in Henderson, we view it more than just a single day of recognition. It's an opportunity to highlight the innovation, skill, and collaboration that define this industry and really defines our community and makes it such a vital part of our economic growth here in the city of Henderson. Manufacturing is always and continues to be a cornerstone of our economy.
Thank you for joining us here today for this celebration. When you think about it, manufacturing really built this city. We've been proud to provide a welcoming environment for manufacturing since our early beginnings. In recent years, we've enjoyed rapid growth in this area, welcoming new organizations to join the strong local manufacturing industry, which includes companies like A&A Corp. I'd like to invite A&A Corporation Director of Operations, Kevin Kalchery, to receive this proclamation this year on behalf of the manufacturing industry in Henderson. Thank you all for joining us today. It's a pleasure to see you all here, and I look forward to what you're bringing in the next year.